Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 2 of recently launched Assess 2019 course, focusing on XP19 Assess Chapter 2 CapStone International Foodies 1.0. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess. You can contact me for your help. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam, or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP19 Assess Chapter 2 CapStone International Food is a project description. Now moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is that start assess. Open the download assess file name. In this step we will have to download the assess file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded assess file from IT Lab dashboard. You can see here assess file. Moving on assess file. Here's let me get to the first name to the beginning of the last name. Okay, experience chapter 2 Cap Foodies. I have already downloaded this assess file. You can see assess file. Now moving on next step. Next step is that step number 2. In step number 2, open the suppliers Excel workbook. Examine the data and close the workbook. Open the products Excel workbook. Examine the data and close the workbook. You will import two Excel workbooks that contains supplier and product information into the database. Click the external data tab. Click the external data tab. Click new data source and open from file in the important link group and then select go to assess file. Go to external data tab. External tab, then save to import external data, click on external, then click on Excel, then we will import file. Supplier XLS workbook to the import as a new table in the current database. Browse, click on browse, download. Location new disaster. Suppliers open, then click open. Okay, select the first row contain column heading. Select the first row contains column heading. Okay, select the first row contain column heading. Set the spread field indeed. Option to yes, no duplicates. Okay, then next. Okay, this yes, no entry. Okay, no duplicates. Select supplier ID as the primary key when promoted and accept the table name supplier. Do not save. Okay, choose a primary key. Okay. Okay, then close it. Okay, this step is done now. You can see it, this step is done now. This step is completed. I have done two steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that import the product XLS workbook. Set the product indeed option to yes, no duplicate, and select product ID as the primary key. Accept the table name products. Basically, in this step we will have to import the product XLS workbook. Go to assess workbook, then click on Excel, external data tab, then Excel, then import file. products. Okay. Then as a aside the product ID. Indeed option to yes, no duplicate. Set the product indeed option to yes, no duplicate. Next, yes, no duplicate, yes, no duplicates. Okay, then select product ID as the primary key. Then product as a primary key, choose as a primary key. Then next, okay, and finish it. Accept the table name products. Table name products. Okay, then finish. Then close it. Okay, this tab is completed now. I have done this tab. Step number 3 is completed of this assignment. Next step number 4, change the field size of quantity per unit field to 25 and design view of the product table. Set the field size of product and categories added to long integer. Save the changes and open the table in datasheet view. Open this spread table in datasheet view to examine the data. Close the table. Okay. Colors. Go to fields. Go to view, design view. Okay. Product table is design view. As field size of product quantity per unit is 25. And the first product and category is long integer. Set the field size of product ID and categories at a long product ID as a long integer. Long integer, then okay, and the save the change and open the table in datasheet view. Save the changes and open the table and datasheet view. Open the spread table and datasheet view to okay. Right click on this, save this, and okay, view and datasheet view. Datasheet close. Sorry, close this. Okay, I have done this step. This step is completed now. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that create a new table in design view. Add the following field in design view and set the products as specified. Okay, add the primary key field is category ID with the number data type and number assigned to a new categories tab. The periods as the description. Set the caption property to category ID. Save the table as a categories. Okay, create a new table in design view. Go to the moving on access file and create a new table in design view. All the following field in design view and set the products as a specified. Okay, create table, new table in design view. Okay, following design center. Add the set the properties specified. Add the primary key field as a category ID. What add first field categories ID. categories ID, number, data type, the number data type, and number assigned to a new categories, and number assigned to a new categories. Okay, number assigned to a new categories. Tap the period as description and set the caption properties categories ID. Categories ID is caption properties. Caption categories ID as a caption properties. Okay, save the table as a categories. We will have to save this table as categories. Save table as a categories. Okay, right click on this and save as a categories. Okay, yes, this table will be saved as categories then. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. You can see step number 5 is completed now. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and both are shown on a PC screen. Step number 6 is that add categories name with the short text data type and name of font categories type appears. First, add categories name with the short data type. Okay, type this. Add categories name, short data type. Then data type is short. Name of food categories. Name of food categories. Okay, then food size is 15. Set the caption property as a category name. Then we will set the caption property as a category name. Caption property as a category name. Okay. And the required properties to yes. Required properties to yes. Yes. Okay, you can see here this step is completed now. This step is done now. Now moving on step number 7. I have done this. Step number 6. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that add categories description with the long text data type. Set the caption properties to categories description. Switch to datasheet. Go okay, categories description to long data type, long text data type. Then set the caption properties of categories description. Set the caption properties of categories description. Okay. Switch to datasheet view. Go to view and datasheet view. Yes. So datasheet view. Save the table when promoted. You can see here. Okay, you will add a 8 record of categories. First we will add a record 1 in category ID. Then soft drinks, coffee, tea as category description. Step number 8 is there. Soft teas, soft drinks as a category description. Then categories that is 2. Condiments. Then add categories description. Then add categories description. All this. Then third field. Categories ID. Confections. Okay, confections. Then add categories description. Desserts, candies, sweet. Dessert, candy, sweet. Then field 4. is that bread, okay, dairy products, dairy products, cheeses. You can see I have done 8 step of this, and for remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I can do all courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, accounting, finance, math. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best.